Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for administrators using DRDP Online 2023. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to add classes and then how to upload classes to DRDP Online. Let's start with adding classes. In order to add classes, you would need one of the following administrative roles, including Teacher of Record plus Enrollment, Site Administrator, Agency Administrator, or Lead Agency Administrator. So if you're not sure after signing in, confirm the roles you have by going to User Profile in the upper right and then checking your roles. Next, go to the menu to the left and select Setup Menu, and under that select Classroom. In order to confirm that the class name and site combination already exist, select Search. The classes that exist and the sites that they are associated with will populate below. If the class name and site combination populates below, there is no need to create that combination again. For every new rating period, existing class and site combinations must be assigned to that new rating period. So go back to the main menu on the left and select Setup Menu, and then select Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods. On the new screen at the top, click on Add Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods. In the pop-up window, type in the first few letters of the classroom name, and it will populate in the filter. Next, assign a teacher of record. Assign the classroom to the most recent rating period, and manage the number of teachers assigned. Then select Save. Now let's talk about creating a new class. We'll go back to Setup Menu and Classroom. Select Search. If our class is not in the list below, at the top of the screen, select Add New Classroom. Here's where you name the classroom and assign it to a site. Here are some tips when naming a new classroom. Use a unique name. Stay away from using the school year, such as 23-24. Stay away from using the season, such as fall or winter. That's because the name will need to match across rating periods in order to connect the data. Now that the new class and site combination have been created, you will receive a pop-up window with your next step. As the pop-up window indicates, you must go to Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods in order to attach this classroom and site combination to a teacher and to the new rating period. So go back to the main menu on the left and select Setup Menu, and then select Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods. On the new screen at the top, click on Add Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods. In the pop-up window, use the Classroom filter to locate and select the classroom you just created. Then, assign a teacher of record. All classrooms must have one teacher of record. Then, select the rating period for this class. Finally, select a teacher or multiple teachers. Click Save, and now your classroom has been created. If at any time you need to edit the classroom, come back to this same page, Teacher Assignments and Rating Periods. Select the pencil to the far right of the classroom. And here is where you can do such things as change your teacher of record or remove teachers, which means they no longer have access to your classroom. Now let's look at uploading classes to DRDP Online. Select the Resources tab in the menu on the left-hand side, and then under Resources, select Upload Templates. You'll see three choices: one for an Upload Users template, one for an Upload Class template, and one for an Upload Child template. For any of these choices, you'll be given an Excel spreadsheet customized for the type of upload you're doing that you can fill out, save, and submit online. For this tutorial, we'll choose the Upload Class template. On this Excel spreadsheet, notice that there are two tabs at the bottom left. One is labeled Info. The Info tab is a resource page with directions about what information goes into each column. For example, the Info tab reminds you in red type that all the fields, in this case, are required to be filled out. The other tab is the Upload Class tab, and that is where you'll actually enter your class information. Notice that in column A, the state should be listed as an abbreviation. In the next column, fill in the correct name of the agency, exactly as it is listed in DRDP Online. In the following columns, fill in the name of the site, the teacher of record, the email of at least one teacher from the class, the rating period for that class, and the name or names of the classrooms. When you're done completing this template, make sure to save it in the Microsoft XLSX format. Now you're ready to upload the template into DRDP Online. Go back to the main menu on the left side and select Upload Center. Locate the icon that says Upload Class in the middle of the screen, and you can either browse and click on the Excel file you saved, or drag and drop it into the Upload Center. When you upload any of these 3 templates, you'll have the opportunity to check if you did everything properly by selecting the Check File blue button in the upper right. If there are any errors, DRDP Online will list them on the screen. In this case, the wrong email was entered for the teacher of record. If you're not sure what's wrong, click on the exclamation mark in the red circle for an explanation. To make your life a little easier, any errors that appear after you do Check File can be corrected right here on the same screen. After making changes, you can check that file again. In this case, DRDP Online will let you know that no errors are found, and now you can submit the file. And finally, to confirm that your classrooms have been successfully added, you can select Setup Menu, and under that select Classroom. Select the appropriate filters and select Search. And you should see the classrooms you've added. Thank you for watching this tutorial on adding and uploading classes to DRDP Online 2023.